Components of blood are four: red cells, white cells, platelets or thrombocytes, and plasma. Number 1. Red blood cells, called RBCs or erythrocytes, are the most numerous cells in the blood. Has a protein called hemoglobin which gives it the color. Operation: it is responsible for transforming oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Number 2. White blood cells, called leukocytes, cells with migratory capacity. Operation: defend the body against attack by bacteria, viruses, parasites, and fungi. Number 3. Platelets or thrombocytes. They are cell fragments. Operation: protect the wall of blood vessels, forming a platelet block which prevents bleeding. It also helps the healing of wounds. Number 4. Plasma, the liquid part of the blood. It is very rich in proteins such as albumin, immunoglobulins. It's one of the body's liquid reserves. Operation: involved in blood clotting, in the water level in the blood plasma and body's defense mechanism. Carries nutrients. The circulatory system is responsible to carry nutrients and gases absorbed in the digestive tract of respiratory. Is each of our cells. The most important means of transport is the blood and the bloodstream. Exchange of oxygen in the blood. Blood transports oxygen from the lungs to the body, conveyed by hemoglobin. Coagulation. When there is an injury, starts hemostasis. Coagulation is the process by which the blood loses its liquidity, becomes similar to a hell in the first instance, and suddenly repairing blood vessels. The process of blood coagulation and clot dissolving, then followed by a repair on the injured tissue, is called hemostasis. Hemostasis is made up of 4 events. Number 1. Vascular constriction, which limits blood flow to the area of injury. Number 2. Platelets are activated by thrombin and are created at a site of injury from a temporary buffer and forming loose platelets. Number 3. A firming mesh or blood clot is forming overlying the buffer. Number 4. The coagulate dissolves through the action of plasmin. Capillaries surround the alveoli, forming a network, and oxygen enters the blood. Carbon dioxide rejected by the body is exchanged for oxygen, leaving the blood and getting into the alveoli to be expelled by the lungs. Relationship between the immune system. White blood cells or leukocytes act as independent unicellular organisms, and then the second arm of the innate immune system. These cells identify and eliminate pathogens, attacking through the largest global contact today and others to kill us. Blood types. There are 4 basic groups, divided according to the serum and red blood cells: O positive or negative, A positive or negative, B positive or negative, AB positive or negative, AB universal recipients, O universal donor. Antibody-antigen complex, formed by non-covalent binding not help each other. Of an agent with an antibody has a defensive and protective function, but sometimes is responsible for disease.